Hey guys, today's video guys, I will be sharing with you guys how to make Nigeria Gari from scratch guys, especially for those of us living in diaspora that have been having difficulty in finding Gari to buy guys. Here is a solution for you. Welcome back to Video Williams TV. Thank you so very much for stopping by my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do me this favor. Smash on the red subscription button, like and also share out this video guys. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you big time. So guys, to make my gari, I will be making use of this three cassava. What I did first was to cut them in three in order for it to be easier to peel guys, and then I peeled the gari one after the other. After peeling the whole cassava guys, I went ahead and cut them into pieces in order for it to be easier for me to grate guys. Why I did this was that because my blender is not very strong, it doesn't have the capacity to blend cassava guys. Just avoid this part. If you have a better blender, you can just put these pieces into the blender like that without grating it first. So after I finished grating my cassava, I went ahead and put it into the blender and I blend it up by adding a little bit of water in it guys. So guys, at this point the cassava is smooth enough for my taste guys. I just went ahead and removed it from the blender in order for me to put other inside the blender guys. I repeated the process until I got the entire cassava blended out. So guys, here is my blended cassava. As you can see, it's not very smooth. That's the consistency that we are looking for to make gari. So I am done blending the entire gari guys, and these are all what I have for my gari. So what I did was get another bowl and I put a clean cloth on top in order to sift the water away from the gari. So guys, I'm just going to try to squeeze out the water from the gari guys as best as I can. After squeezing out this water as best as I could, I'm still going to put any heavy substance, everything on top in order for it to squeeze out the entire water from the gari till the following day before I start to fry the gari guys. So guys, what I did was to bring out a big bowl and I prepared it exactly the way that you can see from this camera now before putting the water on top. Here is my little method guys for drying my cassava. Please keep watching. So this is the next day guys. My gari is fully dried now. I'm just going to open it for you to see guys. So guys, here is my grinded cassava. It is fully dried now, as you can see from the camera. I'm just going to go ahead and put all that in a bowl. and I'm going to sift it out with this sifter before I moved ahead to the following process, guys. So guys, after sifting the entire dried cassava, I went ahead and placed a frying pan on the fire on a low medium high heat for it to get hot before I started frying my gari, guys. As you can see, guys, I also went ahead and changed my frying pan because the first one was not doing exactly what I wanted, so I had to change it to put this particular frying pan, guys, and it did justice to the gari, guys, exactly the way I wanted it. So I also went ahead and sifted it out with the sifter after I finished frying my gari, guys. Thank you so very much for watching. I appreciate you guys.